welcome to my videos. So guys, travel season is on and nowadays a lot of people do international travel. So when we do international travel nowadays, the very first thing most of us plan is to stay connected, because although there are so many Wi-Fi access points everywhere, but like you want something that moves with you, and eSIMs, travel eSIMs are now taking over the world in this aspect. So I have opened this Airalo eSIM app, and I'm going to show you how you can use it, configure it. Of course, you got to pay for it. So make sure you watch it till the end. All right. So the very first thing here you need to do when you come, you need to decide, like you need to search based on the country where you are going. Okay. For example, if I go for India, so see, now it's gonna show me all the plans. Okay. Validity data based on your trip, you can decide like what you need. Like if I'm going to India, I'll go for the first plan because I just need basic connectivity at the airport. Once my local SIM is activated in India, it will be very good. But yeah, up to you. Okay, so I'm gonna tap on. It's also tells me that where the network is. So network is gonna be provided by Geo. Okay, it's a very big company in India. So you can log in with Google also, or you can create your account also. So I'm gonna log in. You see there's a sign up option also. So I'm gonna log in using Google. So let me show it to you guys. Okay, so I have logged in using Google. Now I can select the payment method, and that's it. It's gonna be installed, and once you go there, like based on the dates and other things, it's good to use. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.